Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Angel, and today, no, that was weird.
Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday. Yeah, ratchet bit on a runway.
Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Angel, looking like a little chocolate caramel egg.
Yeah, get into it.
So, oh my god, I thought my camera was gonna fall. That was so scary. Ew. Can we play that f***ing face back? So today's little video is going to be a wig try on. I literally have way too many wigs. Look at this, okay? Bangs. Another one here. Oh, and another one. So many wigs. I decided that I wanted to wash all my wigs and clean them because it is something that is very therapeutic for me. So I did that last night, and today I'm going to show you guys all my little wigs, my little backdrop right there. But before we get into the wigs, make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you want some more wig videos. I have a really huge wig collection. I used to be an adamant wig wearer, but I recently was starting to like my scalp, just the natural. This looks so weird for me to be like this. I never wear my hair like this. Ew. Anyway, my wig videos on TikTok always do really good, so I was like, why won't I do one on YouTube? Like, I should show you guys what the hell I have. So ready, set, go.
Trap, sell, trap, Mac, no dells, go, leaving it. Stell, tech, no cow. One hand, Odell. Slime, snail, water, well, chain, can't melt. Glock, in the mouth. We set our positions to hell. These niggas, they snitches gon' tell. Cause there's no head on my shell. That's on my face when we run in your place, and we need every combination to the safe. And then if you cooperate, everyone say got a Spanish bitch, yeah, she love giving me face. I say, little bitch, do you like how this shit takes? She said, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, and say, trying to figure out how I'm gon' get on my deal. I'm a bad boy, I'm reverend, I feel like I'm Mace. Yeah, bitch, you and me, but she got leave by 8, cause you know Lil Uzi do not walk with no cake. Don't line no paper, my niggas, they apes, and we walk with bananas that bust at your grave. Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean gon' lay on my neck, little bitch, that's not a lake. The slowest car I got is probably a Hellcat, and if you want to do it, we probably can race. And if you gon' hate, nigga, then hate. Don't let me fuck the little bitch, you is big. Don't wanna talk, no, I don't want to be. Both with the britches like Ralph with the straight.